Gaiser 6000 is a free-phase steam generator ideal for industrial use with a robust stainless steel body. The boiler has a capacity of 4.2 liters, which develops 10 bar of power thanks to free heating elements of 6000 Watt in total. Additionally, the boiler is equipped with the exclusive non-stop system technology, which facilitates the continuous supply of water within the same. Thanks to our exclusive dose master technology from 1 to 32 levels, the electronic management of the steam detergent mixture allows you to mix the ideal quantity of solution with steam, thus avoiding any waste. In addition, the exclusive hydrojet system enhances cleaning by generating flows of wet steam and thus facilitate the rinsing of the surfaces being treated. Our exclusive Flow Master technology makes it very easy to manage steam and allows to decrease or increase its flow according to real needs. Gaiser 6000 is the most compact model within our industrial line. It has no limits of use as it can clean and sanitize any type of surface, including the most remote corners. This model can be equipped with the exclusive hydropower technology, which makes it possible to connect the Gaiser 6000 to the water mains for long-term work. Join STI. Join the steam revolution.